Did you know you can create conditional formatting rules in Google Sheets that link to a certain cell and use that as your reference point? I've got an average here of 1.94%, and I want to apply that to my range. I want to highlight these values that are over 1.9%. Rather than hard coding that value in my conditional formatting, what I can do is link to that cell. Here's how. So I'm going to select all of my cells in this range, go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and I'm going to select the values that are greater than a certain value, but instead of actually keying in that value, I'm going to reference that cell, which was N5. Type in equals $N $5. By adding those dollar indicators, it's going to freeze that range regardless of where I am on my sheet. And now it's going to highlight all those values that are higher than the average.